Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 75, Stronger. This video presents another lateral thinking puzzle. The feedback I've had from many people is that they find these really interesting, so I'll keep uploading them for a while yet. So here we go with the first one. Who is stronger? Mr. Stronger, Mrs. Stronger, or Baby Stronger? Seems a bit strange, doesn't it? Have a think about it. A clue will be given on the next slide. See if you can figure it out yourself. I'll leave this slide on for a couple of minutes so you can think about it, and then I'll give you the first clue on the next slide. Okay, let's go with the clue. Let's see how you went. I wonder if you got it out already. If not, this clue might help. Here we go. The clue is, or firstly, the question was, who is stronger? Mr. Stronger, Mrs. Stronger, or Baby Stronger? And the clue is, how is the baby categorized? What's another way that you can think of the baby? That is your clue, and in about 1 minute, I'll go to the next slide for the answer. So try and get it out yourself. Very satisfying if you can. Okay, I wonder how you went. I wonder if you got it with that clue. Here's the answer. I hope you like it. Who is stronger, Mr. Stronger, Mrs. Stronger, or Baby Stronger? The answer is Baby Stronger, because it's a little stronger. How cute is that? I hope you liked it. And look out for my next puzzle. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And I'll go to the next slide now.